In a quiet, forgotten corner of a bustling city lay an old shoe, tattered, dusty, and long past its prime. It seemed destined to be thrown away forever. Its leather was cracked, the sole was coming apart, and its vibrant color had faded into a dull, lifeless brown. It was a story of adventures long past, now just a relic waiting for its end. But then something magical happened. A tiny team of industrious workers, no bigger than a thimble, arrived on the scene, with their miniature tool belts and determined expressions. They saw not a piece of trash, but a treasure waiting to be reborn. They swarmed over the shoe, examining every crack, every loose stitch, and every scuff mark. A plan began to form. The restoration began. The first step was a deep, thorough cleaning. Tiny brushes scrubbed away years of dirt and grime, revealing the shoe's original texture. It's amazing what a little soap and water can do. Once clean, the real work started. A team of stitchers, using needles as fine as a single hair, began mending the torn seams. Each stitch was precise, a testament to their incredible skill. This process, called welt stitching, is crucial for holding the shoe together and ensuring it lasts for years. Next, the workers tackled the worn-out sole. They carefully removed the old, cracked rubber and prepared the base for a new one. A fresh piece of high-quality leather was cut to size and meticulously attached. They used a special adhesive and then reinforced it with strong, durable thread, ensuring a bond that would withstand countless more steps. Now, for the leather upper, cracks and scuffs were gently sanded down and filled with a special leather compound. Then came the polishing. They worked in small, circular motions, a process that not only restores color, but also nourishes the material, making it soft and flexible again. The dull brown transformed into a rich, lustrous mahogany. To give the shoe its final, perfect form, it was placed on a miniature shoe last, a wooden mold that helps reshape the leather. Gentle heat was applied to help it settle into its new, elegant silhouette. Even the laces were replaced with a brand new waxed cotton pair threaded perfectly through the eyelets. The transformation was complete. What was once a broken-down piece of footwear was now a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The leather gleamed under the warm workshop lights, the stitching was flawless, and the new sole was strong and sturdy. It looked better than new. The final scene was set not in a dusty corner, but in a grand auction house. The restored shoe sat proudly on a velvet cushion, a single spotlight illuminating its beauty. Bidders in the audience, art collectors and fashion enthusiasts alike, were captivated. The bidding started, and the price climbed higher and higher, far beyond what anyone could have imagined for an old shoe. Finally, the hammer fell, sold, for a price that honored the incredible work and dedication poured into it. This little shoe's journey shows us something wonderful. It reminds us that with creativity, patience, and teamwork, something old and discarded can be given a new life. It's a powerful lesson in sustainability and the incredible value of craftsmanship. Hard work and a little bit of care can truly turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories.